Welcome back to Pivotbaba. Today we are going to break down the anatomy of Excel, the building blocks. You must know before doing anything in Excel. Trust me, once you understand this, Excel will never feel complicated again. So let's jump right in. When you open your Excel, the screen that you see is called the Excel window. On the top, you can see the title bar where you can name your file. I have named it as Introduction to Access. You can save your Excel file here. On the left hand side, you can see the quick access toolbar. This is a small toolbar which contains shortcuts like undo, save, redo, and also you can customize it as per your needs, or you can use it for the shortcuts that you oftenly used. Below this, we have our ribbon. This is the ribbon. Here we have multiple tabs like file, home, insert, draw, and so on. Each tab contains a group of commands and which is known as the ribbon groups. These are separated by these lines as well. Home will have these group of commands. Similarly, insert will have different group of commands and so on. This is formula bar and this is the name box which we will be covering later. Now, the white big area that you see, this is the worksheet area. This is where you will be working with your data using rows, columns and cells. Our worksheet comprises of rows and columns. Rows are labeled after numbers. For example, this is our row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and so on. Further, our columns are marked as letters. This is column A, this is column B, this is column C. When we click on this column number, which is C, it selects all the cells which are present in this column. Okay, and the intersection of the column and the row is known as cell. Let's understand this. So here we have our vertical arrangement of cells, which is our column. And here we have our horizontal arrangement of cells, which is known as row. And the intersection. This intersection is known as a cell. Each cell has their unique identity or their unique address, which is also known as cell reference. So its cell reference would be D10. Now you can also see, let's understand this. Now this cell would have a unique identity of D5. It is highlighted also. The column number is highlighted and the row number is highlighted. Also in the name box, you can see the cell identity. It is showing as D5. At the bottom, you will see the sheet tab. This is our sheet tab. By default, Excel gives us only one sheet and you can add more sheet through this plus option, and together all these sheets form a workbook. Further, on the right hand side, we have the view tabs. These are the view tabs. By default, we work on the normal view. This is the normal view. Okay. And the second one is the page layout view. In the page layout view, your sheet will look when printed with margins and headers. The third one is the page breakout view, which helps you to control where pages will break when printing happens. Okay. On the right hand side, you can see we have our zoom controllers. Through these controllers, through this minus or this plus sign, you can either zoom in or zoom out, which will help you to view your data more clearly. And then we have our scroll bars. This is the scroll bar and this is the scroll bar, through which you can either move your sheet to the left or right, or you can move your sheet to upward direction or downward direction so that you can check out your data. Here are the notes for everything we discussed about Excel's anatomy. You can pause the video and read through them or take a screenshot for later. Thank you.